Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, January 23rd, 2026. A volatile day at KSE-100, a sharp sell-off, a stronger recovery, and a finish almost 1,500 points in the green. So let's see what happened. All right, so this is where we're at. A 1478.66 point jump for the day. But take a look at what happened. Let's see the hourly chart. If you look here, this is where the market opened. First a sell-off, then a very sharp rise, and a high close, which is contrary to typical Friday behavior because usually at the KSE, the market sells off after Friday prayers, the usual profit taking. But now let's take a look at our indicators. Still bullish. It did come near the 10-day exponential moving average once again, which is the borderline for this trend. And other than that, market still firmly bullish above all averages. EMAs in bullish stack. Volume once again below its moving average, which shows that this rise was without a fresh surge in participation. RSI 7167, still strong, but below its average, which points to cooling momentum after the recent push. MACD backs this argument. Bullish spread remains positive, which means momentum is supportive, but not expanding aggressively if you see the histogram. Otherwise, the overall trend, ADX 3983, firmly strong trend. So all in all, the analysis remains mostly the same. Bias stays bullish while price above the 10-day exponential moving average over here, and any pullback that respects this keeps the trend constructive, while a decisive close below it would increase the odds of a deeper consolidation towards the 20-day exponential moving average. So stay tuned.